Good morning, good morning, good morning. How everybody doing? Detail World, YouTube. We out here downtown Nashville. Such a beautiful day it is. Supposed to get up to like 60 degrees. Oh my, can't wait for that. But right now we're doing this Range Rover Autobiography Sport Edition. You already know, you see them. But the maintenance wash. We'll have a few more details to do soon to show you get more extensive with it, but just a basic maintenance wash. It's not even that dirty in here. You know what I mean? I love this cream color on the seats. The cream and this black, man, it's just amazing. But yeah, it's just a little dog hair, things like that. Good white time. You don't usually have any kids or anything like that in the car, so it stays it stays cleaner. I mean, cleaner than usual. Than most people, like I said, usually kids that get the car dirty, things like that. So we got those kids that actually help make the car a little bit dirtier than usual, but when it's just you or just an animal, that's probably about it. You gotta get a little dog hair up, but yeah, we about to go ahead and knock this out, man. Do what it do. We got all the equipment out and stuff like that, but man, thanks again, man. I appreciate y'all like always, man. It's gonna be a glorious week, glorious month, glorious year, man. We're gonna stick to the script, stay motivated, stay persistent, stay consistent, stay relentless, and we're gonna do, you and me, do what we gotta do to make our lives better. Alright, man, just hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like, share, do what you gotta do. But I would like for you to do. Let's change this algorithm. Peace. Alright. We just finished this Range Rover Sport Autobiography. It's completely done. You see the wheels all shiny. You see the shiny period, man. They had it look when we first started. This here completely done. You look at the carpet. Everything white now. Monitors, cup holders. Seats vacuumed thoroughly, carpet vacuumed thoroughly, windshields done properly, back, everything vacuumed properly, everything, all windows done, everything. We about to go ahead and park this thing right now. Like I say, we just gotta go park it, put it up, and we done, man. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's one of my good customers. Yeah, this area right here, man, familiar because he on his office right here. He about to build a 25-story building right here, right with his parking lot at. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get it in, man. You know, head to this next stop. You know, stay blessed up, not stressed up. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. You know what I mean? Peace out. Good afternoon, YouTube, Detail World. How y'all doing, man? We out here at the next stop, about to do this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Edition. We just did a Range Rover downtown, but we doing another one. This is a very popular car in Nashville, this and that G-Wagon. These are like those Suburbans, you know, stuff like this, but the Range Rovers and those G-Wagon, man, they love those trucks out here in Nashville. But we about to do the same thing here, basic maintenance, wash, maintenance, clean. She said she'll get it detailed next time. She kind of pressed the time, but you know, we ain't gonna stress nobody about spending more than they don't need to, man. We make them make those decisions accordingly. But like I said, right now, really already in his inside. He working on his interior. I'm about to work on his exterior. Like I said, it's really not that bad. She used to have a dog, so he used to always have like a bunch of dog hair in it, a bunch of white dog hair. She had a Labrador. Their name was Stevie Wonder, but Stevie Wonder passed away a few years ago. Yeah, she had a dog named Stevie Wonder. That's weird, but she said Stevie Wonder was one of her favorite artists, so you know, really just laughed at that. But yeah, we about to go ahead and do this Range Rover, knock it out. Like I said, it's just basic maintenance, wash, basic clean. And if you look at the wheels are pretty dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and get them clean, and we'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Alright, YouTube, Detail World. We just finished this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Edition. You know, Range Rover's made by Land Rover, but Land Rover usually just put their name on the Discoveries, but you know, they call this the Range Rover. But it's a beautiful truck. I love these things, man. I always say it's like the ultimate truck for like if the world ended. Once again, you see this black and white, that Panda edition. Looks real good. Got more like a matte gray more than anything. Yeah, we just finished the whole interior. Really did his thing. I mean, as usual. You know what I mean? So, and you know, and if you definitely want to see this work and everything, you can definitely go Google me. Definitely Google. But yeah, we just, like I said, we just finished this Range Rover Sport. Everything in and out. Finna park it back in the garage. Call it a day. You know, but I hope everybody feeling great today. Such a beautiful day today. You know, so take advantage of that. But everybody stay good, man. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace out. All right, YouTube. We out here in Green Hills, about to do this CADILLAC Escalade. That's a new customer. Car not that bad inside. Pretty clean inside because of those mats. These not WeatherTech, but they're close to WeatherTech. It's a little shadowy over here, so not really getting any good light. So it looks a little bit dark looking at the car. But like I said, the interior not that bad. It seemed pretty clean in here from what I looked at. Not really that bad. Just the seats look like they were dirtiest out of everything. Like I said, those WeatherTech mats. I'm not WeatherTech, but the copy of WeatherTech, those mats kind of prevent your carpet from getting dirty. You keep all the debris and stuff on those mats. That's what I try to tell people. If you like your car, get you some mats to keep your carpet from getting damaged, especially if you got kids. Kids like to spill stuff. So yeah, most of that is usually the seats. You know, these perforated seats, if you look at them, they got all these small holes in them. So these holes, stuff like to get clogged in those holes. Look. There's stuff all in those holes. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get them out, even with wiping them. So you gotta smack it sometimes, but sometimes that don't even work. It's embedded in there. But other than that, like I said, you're gonna go ahead and knock this out. I see it got some different type of brake calipers on here, like some bronze brake calipers. But yeah, let's go ahead and knock it out real quick. Do this seal digger, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, YouTube, we just finished this CADILLAC Escalade. We had one more stop to go to, but he said he got to leave the office because of an emergency. So this is the last car today. Like I said, I hate that I'm going in, which is so nice, but I'll be working all day Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we gonna make up for the times that we got to go home early. But car pretty clean inside, seats, everything. So everything nice. Everything nice and clean. Car completely clean, everything like that. But I appreciate y'all, man, like always, man. Jeez. It's gonna get real hot, man. Seems like spring coming way faster than what I expected, but they'll give us more content. You know what I mean? It's about content. It's a vlog, lifestyle vlog, even though the lifestyle is me working, but that's a lifestyle of life. There's people out here that work every day. Everybody don't have the luxury of just relaxing and chilling and going to the beach all day. There's actually people out here that work real jobs and gotta work, and you know, and that's what I'm here for, the everyday person, man. You know, ain't shit gonna change. You know, I'm just hoping I can give y'all a little bit of motivation during this process and let you know, man, no matter what you're going through, you got this. You just gotta stay focused. You gotta stay determined. You gotta stay motivated, man, and try not to let other people's thoughts hinder you and your ability to get to where you're trying to get to, man. You know, right now, you know, trying to figure out that mastermind plan, man. Trying to figure out that mastermind plan and devise it. But other than that, man, I just hope everybody stay blessed. Hope y'all stay stress-free, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe, hit them likes, hit the comments, all that, man. Peace out.